A little change makes the world different. Capture the most touching moments in life. What they reflect is not only the daily things, but also the highlights of the changemakers behind.
36年来，我们的团队一起专注深耕此行业，不忘初心，为成为全球清洁产品和服务的一流供应商而不懈努力。
We love this career, and we support the originality with the original aspiration. Persist in innovation and R&D.
我们通过市场洞察，以用户需求和痛点为创新源头，观察任务数开发、集成产品开发流程，强化项目管理，打造强矩阵组织，统合质量、成本、交期、服务、创新等维度，持续打造企业核心竞争力，为企业可持续发展夯实基础。
90% of the core components in YILI products are developed and produced independently. As the explorer and leader of cleaning equipment, we insist on being customer-oriented to create the most user-friendly products. Through strict testing standards, we precisely control each experimental process to ensure the reliability and stability of our products. We strive to maximize the life of our products while setting standards based on a balance between environmental protection and user experience, and providing customized solutions for different users. Automatic operation equipment, standardized operation procedures, and continuous improvement of operation process can guarantee the consistency of every product. Lean production creates excellence. We adopt cutting-edge technology to pursue the ultimate perfection. Each high-quality cleaning equipment, each user-friendly vacuum cleaner, and each high-efficient washer bear witness to YILI's determination to become a global leading supplier of cleaning products and services, as well as to YILI's mission of building a new cleaning lifestyle. From serving China to serving the world, YILI has served more than 500 customers worldwide. Our products and blessings start from each base and go out with YILI's continuous development, which have spread more than 80 countries and regions and have obtained recognition from customers and users.
With the development so far, thanks to the joint efforts of my company and YILI, our performance has grown rapidly, the clean products. Together we have reached more and more homes in Italy.
YILI always accompanies customers and builds a vibrant business ecosystem together. To be sustainable, the company must create value for society. We share the same mission, vision, and values, which is our belief and the spiritual strength for sustainable development. YILI is committed to enhancing the core competitiveness of the brand with innovation and vitality, integrity and collaboration, and pragmatism, and moving forward to become a global leading supplier of cleaning products and services.